All right. Hi, good evening, everyone. Good evening to all the law aspirants. Good evening to all 3-year LLB aspirants, 5-year LLB aspirants, if you have any with us. Again, I think all of these lives are motivated due to a new update or a new news that has been recently put out, maybe a date or so. So I have a new information regarding NLU Odisha and specifically their 3-year LLB program and all the dates and documents, etc. you need to look out for. Okay, so this is the official notification. I hope you can see the notification, right? The notification is for the 3-year LLB program, and they've officially started the application for the year 2025-26. Okay, you can see that total 60 seats. Okay, who can apply? Now this is a 3-year LLB program, so obviously you need a graduate degree. Now that degree could be in any discipline. Okay, could be engineering, could be BBA, BCom, BA, any degree. Even the students who are in the final year graduation exams can also do that. The application fee is around 3,300. For the reserved category, it's 2,800, and for the NRI category, it's 5,000. Now, there is going to be a test this time. NLU Odisha last time would take it on the basis of merit. So, your CGPA, your score, and your 10th and 12th grade score. But now there's going to be a test. So, admission will be on the basis of an all India test. The admission test will be conducted in Bangalore, Delhi, Hyderabad, Gandhinagar, Bhopal, Cuttack, Lucknow, and Guwahati. So, very specific and very limited number of cities. The university reserves the right to cancel a center and shift. So again, it's very unpredictable. Entrance exam will be conducted on May 11, 2025. So that's the significant takeaway due to which the whole live is conducted for. It's to inform that the exam for NLU Odisha 3-year LLB program will be conducted on May 11, 2025. Okay, May 11, 2025, which is probably a week later of MHCT 3-year LLB exam. So you will have time to prepare, or at least a week to revise if there are extra current affairs or new topics that the exam might introduce. The entrance exam will be one paper of 120 multiple choice questions of 120 marks. So it's a similar pattern as MHCT 3-year law paper, same pattern. Now, the questions, although will be from English, GK, and reasoning. Okay, so there is no math, there's GK, there's legal also, as you can see. So there's English, there's GK, and there's general reasoning. So obviously it's 120 minutes, so 2 hours. No negative marking. I think they're clearly imitating the same pattern as MHCT 3-year law paper, but without the legal reasoning part. So these are the significant dates. The exam will be conducted on May 11 from 10 a.m. to 12 noon. So there are no slots. There's just one date and one slot. Okay, now the applications have obviously begun. They have started from February 13th and they will be accepted till March 31. So please do apply. NLU Odisha is not a bad college, and obviously it has the NLU tag in it. So if you're looking for colleges for purely prestige perspective, I think you definitely apply for this program. Date of declaration of the result will be 13 days after the exam, and the academic year, if you're shortlisted, will commence from July 2025. All right, so there are total 60 seats as we had discussed. Okay, for general category, these are the number of seats, almost 43 seats. For ST, there's 6 seats, and for SC, there are 4 seats. Okay, now there are further bifurcations on the areas. For all India, for Odisha domicile, there's another reservation. For Odisha domicile, specially able people, there's a different reservation. For all India, specially able people, there's another reservation. I don't see a gendered reservation here, so I don't think that will be then considered. Yeah, the number of seats under NRI sponsored candidates may vary, and eligibility criteria for AI domicile reservation is so and so. It's almost 60%. So I don't think it'll be very hard to cut through if you are from certain categories. And 5% seats shall be reserved horizontally for specially able people at the all India level. So I'm not seeing particular reservations for female candidates. So I don't think they will probably be considering, or you will have an upper hand if you are a female candidate. Right, this was it. This was the important news. The important news is that the exam is on May 11. The registration had begun probably a whole week ago, but still, given that it's a very niche program, it's a very new program as well, a lot of you were not aware of the program in general. So now you know. All right, you have time till 31st of March to apply for the exam, and then you can prepare from May 11, and you can prepare and then show up for the exam on May 11. All right, I mean, that's a good update. That's a good news, especially there are not many alternatives, especially national law schools alternatives for 3-year LLB. Now, NLU Odisha is also in the race, so you can obviously apply. It's an alternate that you can consider besides all the MHCD law colleges. And besides these, there are only private colleges that probably will consider you, and there's obviously uh, NLS Bangalore. So very limited colleges who are offering, very limited public colleges that are offering 3-year LLB program. So I recommend that people who are preparing or who want to pursue a program like this, you apply for all of these institutions. Okay, I think that was great news. All right, kindly subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all these news. We always deliver these news close to the time that is relevant. All right, so kindly subscribe to us. If you know people who are preparing for 3-year LLB, kindly share this video with them. Okay, thank you so much for joining. Have a very good evening.